Welcome to the channel. Guys, we're going to remove this door panel. This is going to be Mercedes, is a W221. So it's going to be the rear door, and I've seen a lot of videos for the front door, which is available on YouTube. So this one not really that much. All right, so let's go ahead and then get this door panel off. Things, maybe window regulator, maybe computers and all the stuff you can do when this thing is all out. So let's go through the overview of what you need to remove, and then let's proceed with the procedure of doing that. So first thing first, you come right over here. You see this speaker right here. You come inside here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just zoom and focus inside there. And then we have that a Torx 30 right there, and then the same, you come right on the end right here. There's another Torx 30 in that's there. Then you use a plastic prier, and then you can pry this thing out, and then this thing should be able to come out without a problem. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, next we just go inside in there. Next we just go right inside there. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just put in my 13mm right there. Then once it locks in, you can go ahead and then turn it and open it. So when you put a ratchet, you just go ahead and turn it. That is done. This thing should be able to come without a problem. So when you see that thing, if you see right there, that thing is all loose. So we go to the other side, right here. Let me go right ahead and I'll show you guys how this thing looks like. And then I go right ahead. Comes out like that. So you can let it stay inside. If you have a magnet, you can just go ahead and pull it out. Same with this side. So most of the time when this thing falls out, they normally fall inside here, so don't worry. Once you pull it out, you just get it from here. So what you do next is you get a prying tool just like this. You don't need to use a flat Phillips or whatever it is, because it's going to mess up your thing. So you come on the corner somewhere like this, you can just put your prying tool, then you can just pull like that. This thing is going to come up like that, and then you work yourself all the way around. You come all the way like this, and then once you reach the end over there, yep, you can just keep pulling like that. Now once this thing comes like that, then you can pull this thing up. Let you pull it up like that. So you pull it up like that, this thing pops out like this, so it exposes to other section. And then we have a few stuff to take out. So the first thing is this right here. So you put it way back in like that, and then once you come like that, you just disconnect from here, comes like that. The second part is done right here. We have a few connections. The first one is going to be here, so just press down like this and then pull out. The second one is going to be right over here, and then for this one, you just press like that. See how you press like that, you know, just press it all the way, just push it like that. Let me show you guys. So for this one to come, you just push this thing inside. When you push like that, and then the gray thing, you pull it up like this. You pull it all the way, so when it comes all the way up like this, this thing comes out loose. So that's how you do it. You just push like that, and then once this comes loose like that, yeah, so practically the thing is out. So you got your door panel out, and then you got the door right over here. So if you want to take out the module, you can do that. If you want to go and take out your window a regulator, a motor, which is right here. You can do that. And if you want to change your window, you can go ahead and then remove all these bolts on the side and then get everything out of the way. So you don't really need to remove the cover, which is going to go over here. You just do the basic, and then this thing should just come out without a problem. All right, I hope the video helps you guys when you do your project, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, okay, bye bye.